Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Karikado. In case you're missing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe or follow up and turn on the notification in case I drop next updates. You follow up. Alright, today I want to talk about something interesting in crypto. I want to talk about something interesting in crypto. As long as you're in this crypto era, understand, you believe in crypto, you want to succeed with crypto, you want to make it big in crypto, this video is for you. This video is for you. Now, why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video because when there is this recent exchange that announced listing of Pi in their exchange, so immediately they announced the news, Pi started going up. So as Pi started going up, people began to buy. People started buying Pi network. So why are you buying Pi network at that particular moment? Because you heard that the price is going up. That is why you come to bag it. If you have been in crypto distinct section for 3 years now or 2 years, and you are still buying coin during hype, you still have a long way to go. You still have a very long way to go. You don't buy coin during when the price is going up, during noise, when the coin is going up already. As long as the candle just start to go up, unless you're a short trader with a big amount of money, maybe as the thing is going up, you put on 1 million. As they see 1.2, you withdraw. That one is different. But these people I'm talking about are those ones that they will buy it and go asleep. See, let me tell you something. See, I keep on shouting, telling you guys about coins. So there is some coins I'll be talking about. Because that coin is going down, you people will ignore it. You people will ignore to buy it. You'll be like coin where they fall every day, call where they fall every day. And I'm telling you to go and buy it because it's falling. When the coin is falling, it's the best time to buy. That's why I'm telling you, go and buy it. But if coin is falling, you don't believe on it because it's falling. You only believe when the thing is rising. That is the reason why you refuse to buy it then. So when Pi network was dipping, I was telling people, buy. See, any dip is another opportunity to bag. Any dip you buy is still deep, you bag more, you still deep. You get as some people buy coin every day, some people buy every week, some people buy every month. You buy this week, next week if you dip, you bag more. If you dip, you bag more. See, when Pi go down, a lot of people pack it. So during that hype where Pi they go up, they are on profit already. They now withdraw their money. We have two types of trader: long-term traders and short-term traders. Short-term traders are those ones that when they buy, when the thing go deep, they will buy it. If the thing go, once the thing don't go up to the percentage where they want, they will withdraw and wait for the coin to come down again. Those ones are short-term traders. But as long as you buy for long-term this thing, long-term trading, holding, you buy, and people who are buying with their long-term trading, you are not using the money you want to use to invest on another thing, or money you want to, maybe this January you want to use the money on November, you go and put it on coin that December you will withdraw it. No, that's no long-term money. If you want to invest in long-term, in long-term, understand, you want to invest on coin for long-term, the money that they bring out, the money separate. Maybe you are a salary earner. If you're a salary earner, maybe you are earning 200,000 in a month. From that 200,000, you can decide that 20,000 will be going for so coin for long term, 3, 4, 5 years. That's long term. So as you are bringing it out, that money now, you go use order, they settle your things. That money will bring out for crypto. It's for crypto. You just be like say use and chop, suya, forget. That's what it be. Any money where you chop, you use buy something for beer parlor, you don't go, you say you don't go. You can't get it back. So that's how to invest on long term. No be money where you go use do something next 6 months, you go use and put for coin for long term. You go mia. Understand? So there are some people that they are short traders. When the thing deep, they bag it, they buy with big money. Once there is noise, they sell because people will come in. Novice, they will come in. That's why when I'm telling you to buy ION, buy ICE, but you know buy them. You don't buy it. Even when ICE was 0.001 something. Some people later they buy, and when the thing is 0.002, 0.003, 0.004, 0.005, that is when they start buying. But when the thing was 0.002, 0.001 something, I say go and buy. You say no, the coin is dying. That's the best time to pack it. Sometimes some of us, there's some good projects we believe on. Those projects, we always pray for the project to fall because we still need to back more. Let it fall first. We are praying for it to fall because we believe that this coin has potential in future. It is still wrong. So some of you now, any coin where you see say they do up and down. So any as in at a particular time we hear the coin go, and the next thing you hear the coin down. We go there, we go hear noise, the coin go down. Don't use that coin joke. As that coin they do like that, they do like this. If they do like that, they go like this. That's why they say hold it for long term. Time will come, the coin will go like this. It's not coming back. You go just they go. It's not coming back. I say it's not coming back. Some people buy coin. See, like ION now, Pi Network. Some people buy Pi Network and ION. Understand? Coin divide, as in they buy it in a strategical way. I don't cut my tongue. In a strategical way. Understand? Maybe they use 300,000 buy 100,000. So that amount with 100,000, first amount with 100,000 buy to them, they give particular price where you go there before they withdraw. You get price where you go there, they will come withdraw the second one. Then the last one, you get price where they believe say you go reach before they touch out. Some people do it like this because if you plan only for one, yeah, you know easy. Maybe use 100,000 buy ION. Say now when you touch $1, go buy. If you touch $1 in 5 years or in 6 years, if you fall for your eye, you will withdraw the money. But if you divide that, you go see say at a particular price where they withdraw the chop, they leave the rest. The same thing is happening to Sidra. Do you know that when Sidra they go down, people begin to sell out of panic. People begin to sell. People begin to fear. Why is it falling? But that's the opportunity for you to pack it. Once Sidra enter 80, 100. So once they hear the price 100, 120, they will start buying. That is when they believe say the thing have value. But when the thing don't they go down 50, 40, 35, well, it's going down. Forgotten that Sidra did not launch. Sidra never launch. Sidra no get price. The price where you see say people they buy. Now the price where people just they put to buy it. Person where get Sidra don't even know say you are buying it. They don't know about it. That is what you need to know. They don't know about whatever you are doing or buying or not. So the main price is going to come out when the thing launched, when the thing lists their price. You will see the price. That is when you start knowing what is happening or not. But for now, it's just black market price. People are just buying it at their own price. You get people where they sell and then they put the price. That is why there is no fixed price for Sidra. The only thing you need to do is just buy from a trusted person where you trust. because you no get fixed price. Another person fit say 100, another person fit say 80, another person fit say 90, another person fit say 200, another person fit say 300 for you. Now so the way you buy it, that's why you're selling it. You no go expect person wey buy cedar from person 300 to sell am for you 100 naira. No, he go add him own, go sell. Now the way he buy am, and he's trying to buy from who he trusts. Understand? So learn. Once you don't, you see, first of all, you have to do your own research. When you do your own research, understand, get your own conviction, understand the token on your own. See, that coin where you understand, where you believe on, anytime the coin is going down, bag it more. As long as say you believe in this coin, there must be something inside the coin, or there is something about the coin that makes you believe in that token. So that thing now that makes you believe in it, and you truly believe in it. As I did like this, now I believe in Pi Network 100%. I believe in Cedar 100%. I believe in ION 100%. So if you go to my previous video, you will see analysis and things I'm giving to you, what they are doing that makes me believe in them. And my prayer is for them to succeed on that thing they are building, because they are still building it. So I still believe that if that thing they are building succeed, this coin is going to skyrocket. Yes, it's going to skyrocket. So the more you fall, the more I pack it more for future. Yeah, for future. I have to stop here. I'm willing to know. I have to stop here. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share for your friends. Love you all.